Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing first aid kit and the medicine bag. That's what we're going to be packing up to get ready for the cruise that's coming up and what I take. Now, I do take a lot more than I probably should, but I'm not going to the medical center for a Band-Aid that's going to cost me $100. Not going to do it. So, here we go. I used to take something similar to this. Huge. It was able to be organized, but it's so bulky and it takes up so much room in my suitcase. So I bought a new one, just that one, and then I put it in a tackle box. Let me show you everything I got in here. So I got a small little sewing kit in here, just some thread, needle, buttons, that kind of thing in there. I got the larger size Band-Aids. We got smaller size Band-Aids, the medium Band-Aids. We got hand cleaning cloths, gauze, the tape for the gauze, which would have came in really handy when I was in Cozumel a few years ago. Just a little wrap, a hot instant cold pack. I got my Neosporin. And then, of course, some Benadryl. And then it closes up. And it fits right inside one of the pockets of the suitcase. It is amazing that way. Next, this one goes into my carry-on. Because I checked the bag that this was going to go into. First thing, always, and I will link any stuff that I have that I can link. I will link those. About 2 years ago, I got these C-bands. I like them because they're not as noticeable, and if you're wearing like a dress or something, it fits, and it's got the nice little pressure point ball there. Love those. I got, of course, a couple of these just in case. Last 2 cruises I haven't gotten any seasickness, but I like to have those just in case. And then in here goes some hand sanitizer. My multi-use cloths, which I will link those again. I should get Linktree. And then in this little one, I do have 2 little Tylenols in here. Because when we get off the ship, I will take this little one. I'll stick it in my little bag. Just so we have a couple Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, that kind of thing. And, of course, another one of my little washcloths. And this is multi-purpose. It stays in my carry-on unless we get off the ship. And easy peasy. So we got those 2. I got this off of TikTok Shop, and I saw that apparently we can't buy anything off of TikTok Shop right now, but it came with the labels. I changed this one. It used to be Sudafed, but I got some Mucinex just in case, because sometimes Mucinex works better for me, and it's got everything in there, and it holds quite a bit. I mean, there's the Benadryl. That's quite a bit of Benadryl. I mean, me and my husband could take one every day that we're gone, and we'd have it. This is my personal one. Even though I keep 2 Tylenol in there, this will stay in my purse during the whole travel time. Because it has, and even when I'm on the ship, I'll take it, and so I don't have to run back to the room if I need a Tums. So it just has Aleve, Tylenol, Tums, and some zinc. Just in case. Stays in there, and it's compact and small. And it will fit perfect in the little bag that I have. Now, the big one is my pill bag, my medication bag, which I think I'm going to make this double. I might make this double as part of a toiletry bag. I haven't decided yet. But it's got a big pocket here that I will put some personal items in, you know, just in case stuff. On this side will go, and yes, it's empty because we don't leave for a bit, and we take medications every day, so. But I do have my backup Tums in here. Yes, I have a lot of Tums. Here I'll put a couple more cough drops, the thermometer. In this pocket here will most likely be maybe like an extra bottle of Tylenol or something like that. And in this side, which I love, because I can separate it out. This bottom part that has these will be all my husband's medications and vitamins that he takes. And up here will hold the few that I take. So that is that, and I love it. And it fits perfectly in a backpack or on my roll-on carry-on. And then we have my toiletry bag. So up here, I just put my toothpaste and my toothbrush in this one all the time. That's just where they stay. My razor, deodorant, and mouthwash. Then in this little pouch, I have a little bit of everything. My shaving lotion, some body wash, shampoo, and Vaseline. Now, I know I can take the big bottles on a cruise ship, and I know that they provide them, but I like these little bottles. Generally, you can get them for like $1 or $1.25. I do wash my hair every day when I'm on the ship, and of course, shower every day. And these are usually almost empty by the time we get done, so I just chuck them in the trash and just buy new ones the next time. And that's if like they're only like a fourth full. So then I don't have to bring them home or they'll leak because they're sealed right now. So I really like that. And then it does have the little hanging thing. So I can just hang it up in the bathroom. It's perfect. And then last for this one is my husband's kit. I actually got this at Dollar General. They were on clearance for 50 cents. So in his outside pocket, we always put his cologne. Just in case it leaks, it doesn't go anywhere else or onto anything else. This side, I just throw in a quick razor and some shaving cream, just in case he needs to touch up a little bit. And then in his big pocket goes... Oh, I need to replace the shampoo. His toothbrush, toothpaste... some scope and Head and Shoulders, and then right before we leave we'll throw his hair clipper or his other clippers in here, and that's all that's in there. So all together we got that, and that's it. So thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I just want to share my cruising experience, how I pack things. Yes, I'm an overpacker, and I'm okay with that. I've accepted it about myself. I will overpack. I know my kit, my first aid kit is huge, probably bigger than what most people take on a ship. But I want to make sure I have what I have all the time. So that's what I do. And I want to be prepared, land or sea, no matter where we're at. You know, I don't know if you've ever bought Tylenol off a cruise ship. It's expensive. But anyways, thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it greatly. And see you in the next one.